Hey guys!
Hey guys.
If you watched our last video, you saw that we're getting a little homesick here. So we have some really big news to share with you guys. But before we do that, we want to show you this really magnificent campground we've been staying in for a few days.
If you didn't already know it, since Amanda and I have been traveling together, we have always stayed at boondocking spots, free campsites. So this is the first time we've actually paid for somewhere we've stayed.
It's actually probably in well over a year now of traveling. I think I've only ever paid for about like 3 or 4 campsites ever. And this is probably one of the nicest ones I've ever stayed at, which is why we feel like we should probably show you guys around.
So let's check it out.
Come with us.
My life, my life, my life. In the sunshine, sunshine. My life, my life, my life, my life, my life. In the sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. My life, my life, my life. In the sunshine, sunshine. My life, my life, my life, my life, my life. In the sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine.
So that is the McCulloch Campground here at Cooper's Rocks State Park. If you're up this area, it's just outside of Morgantown, West Virginia. If you're ever cruising through, looking for somewhere to camp, somewhere to park your rig for the night, it's reasonably inexpensive and it's an awesome place. I'm sure we'd both highly recommend this place. Check it out.
So back to the news we have to share with y'all. If you watched last week's episode and a couple weeks back from there, we had talked about A, being road sick, and B, being in Morgantown, West Virginia throughout the winter and just working, saving up as much as we can, hitting the road and going straight to Baja. But road sickness is real. Things happen. A lot has happened this week.
And we're back on the road.
Surprise! So if you haven't done so yet, down below in the descriptions, you want to make sure you subscribe to both Phil and myself. And we also have tons of merch for sale, so make sure to check that out. And we'll catch you guys next week.
Catch you guys.
Bye!